Asking how we doing today? Are we good today? We got a pretty interesting video, I must say. We got a video that I think will help you guys a lot, and I think you might enjoy. Just because, it's actually for once really helpful, and you'll definitely learn a thing or two from this. So, if you haven't read the title already, we are going to be making I'm going to show you guys how to make Playboi Carti type melody. You know what I'm saying? See, so these melodies, they're not too difficult. You know, they're not supposed to be difficult, but some people struggle with them. So I'm gonna help y'all out. Okay. If you haven't done so already, make sure you join my Discord. Okay. It's popping in the Discord. I do my beat critiques there. I do all my stuff there. So go to the Discord. Like the video. Don't forget to comment on videos I should do in the future on what you liked or didn't like about the video. Don't forget to comment or share the video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, it's mandatory. If you're watching, you're not subscribed, like you're just, I don't know what your deal is, but yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, I need my glasses. I knew something was off. Yeah, let's not wear this. When we're doing a Playboi Carti melody, what I like to do, well, let's first open up a piano sound. So I'm gonna use Nexus's Grand Arena Ambience piano, because it's just a nice default sound. All right, so we're gonna open up that in the piano roll. You don't have to choose piano. I just like to start off with piano because it's easier for me to start my melodies that way. I just copy paste it to like another DST or another sound, or just change the sound or whatever. So first things first is to use the major scale. So I'm gonna use this technique that I always use and I always go back to. So I'm gonna just create a sampler channel. I'm gonna open that up in the piano roll, and I'm going to look for the major scale, which is this, and I'm just gonna put it on C. All right, so it just shows all the white keys. So that's another thing. When you're making Playboi Carti type beats and you don't feel like using this scale method, just use the white keys in your melody. Just make sure all of the sounds of the melody are just white keys. So let's go back to the Nexus piano. All right, so here's our scale, as you can see on the piano roll. Now it is time to lay down the melody. I'm just gonna make a quick melody for you guys so you can get the idea of how to do it. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna once again use the ghost notes. So let's shorten this because I can. So yeah, it's a pretty simple melody. Literally all I was doing was clicking in the notes that were highlighted. So let's just continue this melody. I just like to, you know what I'm saying, I like to add a little bass line notes, so just notes under, like an octave under like the main melody. So I'm gonna do just do that here. All right, cool. Nice little bassline melody. We got that nice down packed. You can also add, you know, some top notes here. I might actually remove this bass line just cause, like, I don't know, it's just too low sometimes. So we're just gonna try this. We're gonna add to the melody. So just like an up an octave, so. Let's look for a nice sound. I'm about to open up Dune 2. So with Playboi Carti type beats, you want to have ambient sounds, ambient bells, ambient plucks, ambient pads, anything that is ambient. And Dune 2 has a lot of that stuff. And I sleep on Dune 2 a lot. I don't know why, but maybe it's because I'm still learning how to use it, but it's whatever. So we're just gonna look for some ambient sounds. That's really what I'm gonna do. This is a pretty good one. It's a pretty good one. I could look through some more, but there is a trick that I want to try out, and it's called reversing the melody. All right. Pierre Bourn uses it a lot in his beats, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep looking. I mean, this might not work because reversing melodies doesn't work with all sounds. I mean, it might work with all sounds, but like it doesn't sound the best with some sounds. So we're gonna try this one out and see if it works. So I'm just gonna put on Gro's beat, get the little reverse half speed thing, and let's see if that sounds good. And it does. That's sounds pretty good. As you can tell, it worked this time. And you know, let's play that again and let's try and spice it up. So I'm gonna go into and add an ARP. See if I can remember how to do this. So as you can tell, it works. Let's see what another one sounds like. Let me make sure I just remember the name of this one. It's called what? Breath of Help. Let's see if another sound works out.
12 seconds later.
This one does work, as you can tell. And of course we could change the octave as well. I hate how it takes so long to... There you go. And there you go. There it is. And of course you can, you know what I'm saying, you could do your own thing. You could keep experimenting. You know, try different ghost beat presets, try different arpeggios, patterns, and all that stuff. But the main thing is just getting a happy melody, making finding an ambient sound, and half speeding it or reversing it. I mean, you don't have to reverse it, but I think reverse melodies sound pretty cool. But yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed the video, if this video helps you, make sure you leave a like, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to join the Discord, okay? Don't. Okay, join the Discord. You're gonna like it, I promise. All right, join the Discord, all the good stuff, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.